How to download CodeBlockers in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the browser and search for CodeBlocks. At the top, click on the codeblock.org official website. If you are automatically redirected to the download scene, it is okay. If not, simply click on download from the left hand side menu. After that, click on the option of download the binary release. Then after, choose the option of MingW compiler and click on search for z.net. Shortly when the setup file is downloaded, double click on it, click on next, click on I agree on this window. After that, again click on next. Now here, if you want to change the location of the download file, change the address. If not, leave as it is. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to install CodeBlock on your Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.